Thanks for visiting Luscombe Motors for the walk around video of our Suzuki Swift Attitude, finished in the metallic premium silver, but as you can see with the that very nice contrasting orange striping. So Attitude, got your carbon effect body kit, that front splitter, you know, the side mouldings, these machine polished 16-inch two-tone alloy wheels. And the finishing touch for me is that upper rear boot spoiler. It looks really good. Rear privacy glass as well, so visually it is a real eyeful, is the Swift Attitude, and that's what a lot of customers love about it, because it's got that really sort of enhanced sporty look to the car. It's a really low mileage opportunity, less than 5,000 miles on the clock. It is genuine mileage. The car has also been serviced with ourselves here at Suzuki. So it's a car that we know about. We'll take a look on the interior now, starting with the boot space, just to show you what a practical luggage space the car has got as well. Also got the facility to fold down the rear seat. It's a sort of a 60-40 split seat. Very deep boot floor as well, so plenty of space in there. Take a look inside at the back. Three-point seat belts. Very high roofline as well, so it is deceptive how much head and shoulder room you will have when you sat in the back of the car. And there is also anchor points for your ISOFIX child seat. Let's take a look up front. The electric windows and mirrors. So your main audio unit is a radio CD audio unit, but you do have Bluetooth as well, and also USB auxiliary sockets and a power outlet for any sort of dash mounted sat navs you may have, and it's air conditioned, so it can help yourself and your passengers stay comfortable. Automatic lights add a little bit more convenience for the driver, and you've got a variable intermittent wipe as well. So there you can see the mileage, currently standing at 4,887, so you know, really low mileage opportunity. You've also got the volume controls and your trip computer information all available to you from a touch of a button on the steering wheel. So another thing to look out for, and I'd recommend you take 5 minutes out to watch this, is when we do our multi-point check of the vehicle, which will focus on items such as brakes, suspension, steering, tyres and battery. That's documented through our technicians' video appraisal. It's unique to the industry, and the feedback we've had from customers is very positive, because it helps give you the confidence and the trust that you need when you are looking at buying your next car. So you're fully aware of what's gone on, what checks have been carried out, because it's all captured on a video for you. Hope you found this useful. Thanks again for watching.